Hi, I'm Marna. I'm very excited. This is a Dolls Rescue channel, and I have, well, you saw the title, so you already know. I am smitten by Blythe dolls. I never thought I'd own a Kenner. I am so blessed. I absolutely am smitten with Blythe dolls. I love their whimsy. I love their eyes. They're fun. They can wear anything. I had done a collab with Beth Ramsden, Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly, and J Dolls UK, proving just that. We made them, we made Blythe dolls outfits out of burlap. I always say they're so cute, they'd be cute in a burlap bag. So we made outfits to prove it. You can go back and see those. They're from a while ago, but I love these dolls. So my ultimate dream is to own a set of 4 Kenners that have the 7 lines, which are the later produced Kenner Blythes, and a set of 4 that have the 6 lines. And what I'm talking about is, I'll show you in a minute, the lines on their back that tell about the doll. And the earlier ones, as I said, have 6 lines. Look how nice it's packed. I am excited, although, more tape. I'm going to check. Sometimes I have had, oh, that's a good kitty box, isn't it, Darren? Okay. I have had stuff come so wrapped, it's ridiculous. And other times, I have had dolls come in a plastic bag, just in an envelope. No bubble wrap or anything. And with this Kenner, I'm very, very, very thankful that they wrapped it right. And I'm doing it all on camera rather than saying I'll be back in a minute, because if something is not as it was on the auction, you never know. I could open this up and there could be a basque in here. Basque is the inexpensive little Blythe doll you can get on AliExpress. I have a lot of them and I love them, but they are low end. Oh. Okay, wrapped and wrapped and wrapped, and I appreciate it. I won the auction on this doll. Quite honestly, I thought she would sell for more, but it was more than I wanted to pay, always. The price of Kenner Blythe dolls is still down a little bit over what it was, say, a year ago. This doll would have brought at least twice what I paid a year ago, so I was very happy to find her. Okay, we're getting down to the bottom. Here we go. Oh. Did I drop my Kenner? Oh my God, she is so cute. Oh my God. Let me come around. Oh, I can't. I am full of emotion here. She is gorgeous. There are no cracks in this doll. The knees, can you get a close up how nice they are?
For those who don't know, what do you mean by no cracks?
Dory from Dory's Dollies has taught me so much about Blythe dolls, and she's still teaching me. I have so much to learn. One of the things she taught me is it is very common, and I knew it was common, to find cracks a lot of times here, here, and even up into the body of a Blythe doll. And one of the ways that can happen is when you stand them in a stand and leave them there, the weight of the head on this cheaper plastic that they used back in 1970, well, probably 71, getting them ready for sale in 72. will crack this. So you don't display your Kinder Blythes on a stand. It's very common to find them. In fact, for those of us that look for the Kinders, it's one of the first things we looked at. Where's the break? Her hair, I'm really excited about. I am going to give this girl a downy dip and wash her up. Oh, she is gorgeous. Let's take a look at her eyes. There's nothing like a Kinder click. Other Takara, Good Smile, they click nice. Ashton Drake Gallery clicks nice, but nothing like a Kinder. She has an eyelash right under. There we go. And that's the other thing. It's very common to find them with pieces of their eyelashes missing. Look, she has all of hers. Uh-oh. Come on. Uh-oh. There we go. Well, there's a little hiccup in her eyes. So I am not going to push this too far. I think I'm going to put her on green and leave it. Oh gosh, she's so cute. Let's push that up a little bit more. Oh, she's gorgeous. Absolutely, I am thrilled. It could be that after I wash her, that little extra...
It won't drag.
Yeah, it won't drag. I suppose it will, though. Don't you think it's probably the spring, Darren?
Yeah, good chance it's a spring, but it might be something like on her eyelids itself.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Anyway, yes, she does have this. It doesn't look like she was opened, but she does. It looks like the plastic in the front and the plastic in the back were created separately. A different run of plastic. Let's check her knees. Oh, I'm always so nervous to do this. I'm not going to force it. Let's see this one. Yep. Yep. Oh, gosh, she's in fantastic shape. I can't get over the hair. Usually their hair is such a mess. See, the string is really dirty, too. And I use shampoo on my strings when I wash the hair. I make sure this gets good and washed. Let's see. Yeah, everything's still attached.
How corroded are the screws?
Let's look at that. Not bad. Not awful. I can use some cleaning.
And show us this 6th line.
Oh, yeah. Okay, right here on the back of Kinder dolls, you have your factory stamping. The trademark is Blythe. All the registered dolls are trademarked. And this doll has 6 lines. Later, when they were producing them, they added a 7th line. At this minute, I can't tell you what it says because I have forgotten. The back of their skulls, or their heads, are not marked. I wish they were. Oh, I'm thrilled to death. Now, she did not come with clothes or a stand or anything like that, but my husband is amazing. He makes me these stands. I ask him, can you do a stand? Oh, I got some. There we go. Can you do a stand with the Blythe logo and Kinder 72? And look what he did. I absolutely love these. I have them in several 70-ish colors. This doll was called Love and Lace. It's actually her outfit. I did not get it with her. I have one. I don't think I have 2 of those. I'll have to look. But they came with little orange slip-on shoes. These are not them. These are 3D printed by Darren. When I got my, was it Ashton Drake that one of the shoes were missing, and Darren printed new ones. So I made her this little Christmas outfit, and I made it as close as I could to Love and Lace. I call it Christmas and Lace, or Love and Christmas. It needs a belt. I like the lace on the bottom, and the sleeves are okay, but around the neck I do not. So I think I'm going to fold that up, although I already sewed it down in the back, and the snaps are in, but let's put it on her. These are my current Kinder dolls. Kinder did make some variations to the hair, as you can see, and it could just be the years. little different red. You're laughing because you think it's the ears. And then these two, one is a raven hair, one is a brunette. And I'm pretty sure it's my brunette that has 6 lines. She has 6 lines, and these 3 have 7 lines. So I am over the moon and very proud of my Kinners. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.